Hi, what's your name?
My name is Marcus.
Okay, we can also type. Proceed to type. Who are your parents? And enter to send.
I'm not sure. I was never told much about my family. All I know is that I have a strong connection to the elements and I'm driven to use my power to create a better future.
Hi, I'm Roy. I'm the CTO of SmartNPC, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the basic installation of SmartNPC in Unity. So let's go to our account in the SmartNPC Studio. Here you can see projects, characters, API key. You're going to need one of each. If you don't have them yet, you can go to our other video which goes into great detail about them and how to make them. And once you do, just go back to this video. So let's click on documentation. You can see under Unity SDK compatibility, of course, make sure your Unity version is compatible. Prerequisites, what you just mentioned: one project, one character, one API key. And let's go to installation and copy this Unity SDK Git URL and just jump to our Unity scene. In my case, it's 3D Core. It can really be anything. 3D Core is just the bare minimum for a 3D project. Let's go to Window Package Manager and click on the plus, add package manager from Git URL and paste the Unity SDK URL we just copied, add. Okay, once it's installed, let's close the package manager. Under packages, you can see SmartNPC. We can go to prefabs, and here you're gonna find the SmartNPC context. Let's drag it to our scene, and you're gonna be prompted to import TMP essentials. Just click import TMP essentials. Okay, SmartNPC context is basically just a prefab for your convenience. It has two scripts: SmartNPC connection, which allows you to connect to the SmartNPC server, and SmartNPC chat, which gives you a lot of out-of-the-box functionality, out-of-the-box chat functionality. You can also not use it down the line for more advanced use cases, but this will just help you set things up quickly. So let's start configuring the SmartNPC connection. We're gonna need the credentials. Let's go back to our account. We're gonna close this. Okay, account. We're gonna go to API keys. If you have one, just click on it. If you don't, just click on new key, type a name and create. But I'm just gonna go to key I already have, copying the key ID, pasting here under credentials, key ID, same thing for public key. Okay, player can basically be anything. It's up to you. It helps SmartNPC provide personalized conversations and interactions for every different player. It should depend basically on the data that you have in your game, on the player that's currently playing. I'm just gonna make up some mock data. Let's do player ID user 1234 and player name Roy. Okay, so voice basically indicates whether you'd like the SmartNPC server to also respond with a voice, with a character voice, or if text is enough. If text is enough, then it's gonna be faster without voice, obviously. It's less work on the server. So by default, voice is enabled. Voice volume is a number between 0 and 1. It's by default 1, which means full volume. So that's it for the SmartNPC connection, pretty easy. And let's go ahead and create a mock for our character. I'm not gonna go into 3D models yet. I just want to do really the bare minimum to get the scene going. So I'm gonna go to game object, create empty. This is gonna be our mock character. I'm gonna name it character. Here we can add a component, SmartNPC character, and we're gonna need to specify a character ID. For character ID, we can go back to basically our project, select a project, characters, we can select whichever character we would like, and as you can see here, character ID, just copy it and paste in Unity. Okay, last thing we need, since it's a very simple scene, we're just gonna predefine the character in the chat. So let's go back to SmartNPC context, go to SmartNPC chat, and we can either drag and drop the character with the SmartNPC character to the character field in SmartNPC chat, or we can just click here to set it. We only have one in this case, so it's pretty simple. I'm gonna select the available SmartNPC character, and now we are pretty much good to go. Let's play the scene. Okay, so now you should get a simple scene running. You shouldn't see anything. As I said, no models so far. You can just see the character name and some instructions. Hold left control to speak or press it to type. Let's try to record something. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Marcus.
Okay, we can also type, press it to type. Who are your parents? And enter to send.
I'm not sure. I was never told much about my family. All I know is that I have a strong connection to the elements and I'm driven to use my power to create a better future.
And that's pretty much it. Again, the very bare minimum. We can build a lot on top of it, and I'm gonna cover it in the next videos.